How to find video languages settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video languages settings on TikTok mobile. First thing, go to TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find content preferences, and here you will find video languages, and as you see here you can manage and add any language you want, and that's how to find video languages settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.